Howdy guys, this is Linux Mint and this is a 3D spinning cube. Yes, we are going to use the Compiz Window Manager and Linux Mint Mate Edition to see what crazy shenanigans we can get up to. And yes, I am pronouncing it Mate Edition. First we load up our control center and under Look and Feel, we click the menu item called Desktop Settings. Compiz is not the default window manager on Mint, and we need to change that before we can attain our God mode animations. Make sure you choose Compiz from the drop-down. Okay, next we open the main menu and search for Compiz, and then select CompizConfig Settings Manager. You will see a screen about being cautious. Just click OK. Compiz is somewhat experimental and over the top. I'm not sure I'd use it full time, but it is fun to play with. Now you should see a whole range of animation types and settings. Switch on 3 in particular: Desktop Cube, Rotate Cube, and 3D Windows. These 3 effects combine to make the effect we are aiming for. So the settings for Rotate Cube will have some key bindings that make the effect active. Mine are set to Control plus Alt and Mouse button, so when I hold down Control and Alt and drag on the desktop, this happens. All the effects have a number of options to tweak with how they work and look. Desktop Cube, for example, has a setting called Sky Dome, which is what you see in the background as we call up the workspace cube. I've used that setting to load a different image. If you prefer a more subdued workspace switcher, you can also use Expose instead, much more subdued. On the other hand, if you are an undercover wizard, even of the Linux variant, you will enjoy the wizard effect on your mouse cursor. Now, isn't that useful? My favorite, of course, by far is the one called Wobbly Windows. This makes your windows wobble as you drag them around the screen, and also makes them wobble and bounce as they are resized. That's always a winner with me. Now, I should mention that, unfortunately, Compiz does not work with the Cinnamon Edition, only the Mate Edition. I'm not sure about XFCE. I've heard there are some things you can try there too. Well guys, thanks for watching. Until next time.